Want to apply for a bachelor's degree in the UK but not sure how to go about the UCAS process? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Hi, my name is Saket, and in today's video, let me help you with step-by-step process of applying via UCAS. Let's go. Step 1. Create an account. Go to www.ucas.com and click on sign in. Click on register and add a few details such as your email address, name, and choose a password. Once you do that, you will receive an email from UCAS with a 6-digit code which you will need to enter to verify your account. Post that, the portal will ask you a few questions such as your preferred subject areas, intake year, your school, and if you're applying yourselves or through your school. Since I have already created an account, let's log in to our portal. Adding my details here, a new web page opens that looks like this. Step 2. Start your application. On the home page, click on Start Application and a new web page opens which looks like this. There are 4 sections to fill. 1. Choices, 2. Profile details, 3. Personal statement, and 4. References. You will also see a tab called Add Buzzword. This will only be used if you're applying through a UCAS registered center or a school. In case you're applying yourselves, you can ignore this. Step 3. Add choices. You can add up to 5 choices of programs at 5 different universities. This means if you wish to apply to 2 programs at a single university, that is also possible, but overall you can apply for only 5 choices. But do note that programs have to be similar. Let's add our program choices. So I want to apply for a business and management course at 5 different universities. I have shortlisted, adding them one by one. The process is very simple. You can click on Add Choice, search for university, course, location, start date, and point of entry, and we are done. Don't forget to click Mark as complete once you're done adding all the choices. Step 4. Personal details. Click on the Personal Details tab and add your title, first and middle name, last name, previous name, if any, preferred name, date of birth, gender, and click on Mark this section as complete and then save this section. Step 5. Contact and residency details. You can add your mobile number or contact number, postal address, select address type relevant to you, select if you want an agent or someone close to you to access your application. Next up, choose the relevant option in your residency. Details, if your home address is same as postal, select residence, and last, choose your residential category and mark this as complete and save. Step 6. Nationality details. In this section, you will have to largely answer 3 questions: your country of birth, nationality, and if you have dual nationality. Also, you will be asked your date of first entry to the UK. You can add your course start date. Then the portal will ask you a few more details such as if you need visa to study in the UK, have you previously studied in the UK on a visa, or do you have a pre-settled status, whether you have a passport, if yes, then passport number, valid from and to, and place of issue. Let's answer all these questions, mark this section as complete and save. Step 7. Add supporting information. In this section, you will have to specify if you have ever lived or worked in Europe or Switzerland, or if you have any parent, step-parent, spouse, or civil partner who's a citizen of EU or Switzerland. Complete the section and save this. Step 8. English language skills. Click no if English is not your first language, and if you have your IELTS or TOEFL results handy, you can add the TRF numbers. If you don't have English language test results yet, you can leave the numbers blank. Then mark this as complete and save. Step 9. Finance and funding. Very simple. Select the option relevant to you and then mark this section as complete and save. Step 10. More about you section. In this section, you can mention if you have some illness or disability. Click on the tab, select relevant option, click on mark this section as complete and save. Step 11. Education. Click on add place of education and add your 12th class details. In case your school is not listed, you can add it. Select start date and the end date and type of study, which will be full time. Next, if you have pending qualifications, that means your final results are not available yet, click on yes and click save. Once you do that, click on add qualification and choose relevant qualification you're pursuing. Next, add highest level of qualification details relevant to you, which will be most likely below honors level degree qualification. Mark this section as complete and save. Step 12. Employment. In this section, you can add any internships or work experience if you have gained that you think will add to your profile. The process is simple. Click on add employment, company name, role, address, start date, and the end date, whether it was a full or part-time position. Click on save, mark this section as complete and then save this section. Step 13. Personal statement. This will be limited to 4,000 characters, so choose your words very wisely. I will recommend using MS Word to write your statement and then copy paste in this box. Once you do that, click on save and get preview and we are done. Step 14, reference. In this section, add full details of your referee, job title or relationship, organization details, address, email, and then click on save reference. Do connect with your referee beforehand and tell them that you will need their reference for your application. You can request reference by clicking on the request reference tab at the bottom. This step completes all your sections. Step 15 is the last one. Review, pay and submit. Once you fill all the sections, review the form, pay £27.5 as the application fee and submit your application. We're all done. Hope this video has been super helpful. Let me know which other topics should I cover in my next one. Thank you for watching and let us meet up in the next video.